Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you Introduction to C Programming. Before starting this, if you are new to my channel and BTech student, then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let us start with the topics covered in this video. What is C Programming? History and origin of C Programming. Why to learn C Programming? Features of C Programming. Basic structure of C Program, that I have explained the example program and the output. Applications of C in daily life. These are all the topics covered in this video. Let us start with the what is C programming. Here, C is a programming language. What is programming language? Programming language is used to communicate with the computers. To communicate, we need a language, right? We communicate in the Kannada, Telugu, English, Hindi. These are the languages to communicate one person to another person. Likewise, we need a language to communicate with the computer. That's why that is programming language. Using programming language, we can communicate with the computers. C is also a programming language. Using this, we can communicate with the computers. Here, C is a high-level programming language. What is high-level programming language? Which means it is very easy to read and write the code. That's why it is high-level programming language. Humans can easily understand this high-level programming language. What is low-level programming language? It is not understood by humans and it is written in the zeros and ones, that is machine level language. And this C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. His C program was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. It is used to write programs for computers. We use this C program to write the programs for computers. We give some set of instructions to the computer to get the proper whatever we need the output. This is all about C programming. Let us see the history of C programming. It is developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in 1972. Bell Labs means it was famous research lab where C was created. It was the famous research lab where the C programming language was created. And it is designed for system programming and developing operating system. This C programming is developed for designing the system programming, and we can develop the operating systems, that is Windows, Mac, Linux, anything. And it is evolved from earlier languages like B, BCPL and C. This C language is evolved from earlier languages like B and BCPL. It became the popular due to speed. This C programming became popular due to its speed and simplicity. It is high level language we can easily read and write and understand easily. That's why it is very simple and portable. We can run the code in any computers, in multiple computers. That's why it is portable. Base for many modern languages. The C programming is a base language for C++, Java and Python. Because based on the C program, they have developed C++, Java and Python. Here, Bell Labs is a famous research lab where the C programming was created. Why C was needed? What is the need of C? Earlier languages like B and BCPL were limited. It was limited actually. B and BCPL were limited and it is not that simple. That's why C introduced more structure and efficiency. That's why we need C programming. Impact. After introducing C, what is the impact? Let us see. Most operating systems like Windows, Linux and Unix were written in C. After introducing C, the Windows, Linux and Unix were written in C. Here we can understand how powerful C is. Here you can see B is evolved from BCPL and C is from B and BCPL. Here C++, Java and Python from C. C is the base language for C++, Java or Python. Very clear with this? Why we have to learn C? Let us see. C is the base language for C++, Java and Python, as I told you. That's why we have to learn C. It is very important and it helps to understand programming logic. By learning C, we can easily understand the programming logic. It teaches memory management, how exactly we can manage the memory. We can learn in C. Very clear? And the next topic is features of C. C is very simple and fast. That's why it is very demand popular language. It is structured language. As I told you, because of the structured language, it became popular and portable across computers. We can run the code, C programming code in multiple computers. That's why it is portable. Allows low level memory access. By doing this, memory management can be done in C programming. These are all the features of C programming. Let us see the basic structure of C programming. Here, ASH includes standard input output.h. Here, we have used standard input output.h. This is the library that is included in the program. Int main is the starting point of the program. The execution of the program starts from main. Int is the integer type. Print hello C programming. This will print the output as it is, whatever we have written inside the hello C program. That's why we use print. After return 0, it is the end of the program. Here the program will end. Very clear with the example? This is the structure of C programming. Program execution starts from here, main function. It will print whatever is there inside the printf, and return 0 is the end of the program. It will start the execution here with 0 errors. Here ASH includes standard input output.h means here it includes the standard input and output libraries inside the program. Very clear with this? Let us see the applications of C programming. Wherever we use C programming in our daily life, let us see operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. C is used in Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. Embedded systems, that is microwaves and washing machine, cars. The software is installed in the cars and washing machine. In those softwares, C was used. And compilers and interpreters also we use C. And database system to store the data, access the particular data, manipulate or delete the data. In that we use C program. Game development. In developing the games also we use C programming. Internet of Things, IoT devices you can see in daily life. There also we use C programming. Along with that, in mobile applications, many of the applications developed in C. Not only in C, they are developed by using Java, Python, C++, anything. We can use C as well to develop the applications. Here, C is very simple language, powerful programming language and base for in other languages like C++, Python. Very simple, clear. I hope you are very clear with these topics now. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this for simple explanation. Thank you very much for watching. Share this video with your friends who are struggling in C programming. See you in the next video. And if you are from PCMB background and you are not able to understand anything related to programming concepts, I have created a Kannada channel for those. I have explained these topics in Kannada as well. I will give you the video link in the description. Please check it out and subscribe to that channel as well for explanation in Kannada. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.